Oh, well, thank you all again for joining me today. As you can see, we've got our next project in the background here. So on this episode, I'm going to be installing a protective rubber strake on the bottom of this boat here. As you can see, this one got pretty badly chewed up. So that's today's project. This is going to be the same principle if you're going to be installing accessory handles or D-rings. Pretty much anything that you want to glue onto your boat. I'll sit back, relax, enjoy, and let's have some fun on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Here you'll see I'm grabbing some MEK or some acetone so I can clean up the surfaces. So then this way the masking tape will stick very nicely and not bubble or peel away while we're doing the gluing application or any of the repairs. Alright, let's grab our rubstrake now and get it laid out, get it all centered. So this way all we gotta do is grab our pencil, mark off where the rubstrake's gonna lay down the masking tape, and start the prepping process. Using a pencil, you can see I'm gonna mark off where the rubstrake's gonna lay down on the bottom of the floor here. Now that we've got the areas all marked off, let's lay down the masking tape, get the surfaces all prepped and cleaned up, and get it ready for the glue application. Now that I've got the masking tape all laid out, let's get the surfaces sanded down and get the surfaces all roughed up so then this way the glue has something to bite into. And now I'm going to get the rubstrake surfaces all roughed up, so this way, once again, glue has something to bite into. Not only on the floor, but also on the rubstrake. Alright, so now we've got the surfaces all sanded down and cleaned up. So the purpose of that is you want something for the glue to bite into. Get them all scuffed up. You can use the 120 grit sandpaper. Or you could use a grinder. You know, the purpose of it is just to have something for the glue to bite into. So then this way, you know, shit doesn't start peeling. And yes, you know, you can do the same thing. You guys got your handles and stuff. Same procedure. Same thing with D-rings. Pretty much anything that you're gluing onto a PVC or a Hypalon boat. Make sure you sand both sides. Make sure you get all the greases and dirts and all that other garbage taken away. And you will have no problems. But that's enough of me yapping here, so let's start gluing this protective strip at the bottom here. And the glue we're using today is Zodiac's Z7096 Plastomere glue. And now we're doing the glue application. Remember to follow the manufacturer's directions for the two-part glue, for each layer laid down, and for the waiting time between each layer, so then this way the solvents could evaporate properly. Now with such a long strip like this is usually a two-person job, but because I'm a one-man show, you'll see I'm going to use a broomstick handle, so then this way I don't get any premature sticking. Alright, so I'm now going to take this thing right up to this thing. Right up to the grab handle. Line her up, cut it, make it look pretty nice. Alright, let's get this final piece laid out. And using my pressure roller, I'm going to put as much pressure on the freshly glued areas. And this boat will be done. Now let's remove the excess tape here and let the glue cure for 24 hours. Well, there's another boat that's ready to go out the door and hit the water again. Thank you all again for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure to follow us on Instagram or Facebook, because we do post up a lot more stuff on there. And we do list our specials and sales for our websites that's happening. And everything that you see in the video, we sell on our website. So yeah, be sure to check that stuff out if you're looking to get some of the supplies. Thanks again. Stay safe and happy boating, everybody. See you on the next video.